Hi everybody, I got me I think it's called Haier. I don't even know how you say that. H-A-I-E-R. I got this in Target. And these are all the buttons right here. Let me see if I could fix the camera. So here's all the buttons. Here's the power, the temperature time, the mode, the speed, and the timer. The mode is like the fan, energy save, and cool. And this one says, I don't know what's this, DHUM, D-E-H-U-M, I don't know what's that. And this is the speed, it has high, medium, low, and auto cool. And this is the timer. You put it on, off, and sleep. So let's turn this on. That's how cold you want it. When it's on the energy save, you save, put on cool, and it feel more colder. Right here. This is 61, so you could change the number. You want it colder. This is the timer. You shut down, then turn on by itself, turn off by itself. You see that? So I recommend buying this. You can get it at Target for $3.50. Trust me, your room, the whole house will get cold. Maybe a little bit in the rooms, but it's not that bad. I put a wood in the back by myself. It wasn't that bad. We just put the wood, cut the wood with the saw, put this in the bottom, and we put something right here so the air don't get in and everything comes with it. Wait, you guys want to see the way it looks outside? Sorry about that, guys. Right there. I think there's some kind of liquid substance in there. Wow, it's very cold. Plug-in is good quality. I think you tied it down here when you put this on, and over here with the screw. This is a control. See if I can take it off. On, off, mode, speed, timer, temp up, temp down. And it's called, can I say that, Haier or something, I don't know. You get this in Target. $3.50. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching. See you next time.